In 2017, we asked for your support to bring an idea of a whole new collection to life. With the same ambition as before, to raise the bar when it comes to quality and versatility while keeping the prices low. We are now back again with a new and improved version of our much appreciated Titan collection. With frames made of the highest quality titanium, we set to make out a prototype that redefines both strength and style. Choose between 3 different models: Round, Wayfarer, the Aviator. All equipped with German quality OBE hinges, more than 10 different colours of high quality polarised lenses, and a strong antioxidant coating that keeps them safe from extensive usage, wear and tear, and rough weather conditions. With an improved changing mechanism that doesn't require any tools, we have made it both faster and easier to change lenses yourself. Use one pair of glasses for any situation by changing lenses on the go. Go from anti-blue light lenses in front of your computer to a beach party in rose gold lenses in an instant. We are here to make your life easier. We are here to give you a pair of glasses that will stand the test of time. We have done our homework and now know what works. We have perfected our Titan collection and now need your help to fund the initial cost to bring this improved collection to life. In return for your support, we offer early bird prices and special package deals, giving you the chance to save up to 50% off the market value and to be the first to own our new Titan sunglasses. Thank you for watching and making this possible, and for joining the Zerpico family. Thank you for seeing the world through our eyes.